Day 50 of Bible Bites. We're deep in Numbers, with more instructions about regular offerings, festivals, and the importance of keeping vows. God also reminds his people that he is the ultimate judge. We're in Numbers 28 to 30, Psalm 50, and Proverbs 11, 22 to 31. Let's see how God calls his people to consistent worship and faithfulness. Quick prayer. God, thank you for your consistent presence. Help us keep our promises to you and live with integrity. Amen. Numbers 28 to 29 details schedule of offerings, daily burnt offerings, morning and evening, Sabbath offerings, monthly new moon offerings, and special sacrifices for all the major festivals: Passover, Feast of Weeks, Feast of Trumpets, Day of Atonement, and Feast of Tabernacles. Each has specific animals, grain offerings, and drink offerings. Numbers 30. Laws about vows. A man's vow is binding. A young woman's vow can be overruled by her father if he hears it. A married woman's vow can be overruled by her husband. Widows' and divorced women's vows stand. Vows to God must be taken seriously. Psalm 50. God speaks as judge. The mighty one, God the Lord, speaks and summons the earth. Gather to me, my consecrated ones. I do not rebuke you for your sacrifices, but I have no need of a bull from your stall. Sacrifice thank offerings to God. Fulfill your vows to the Most High, and call upon me in the day of trouble. I will deliver you, and you will honor me. Proverbs 11, 22 to 31. Like a gold ring in a pig's snout is a beautiful woman who shows no discretion. The desire of the righteous ends only in good, but the hope of the wicked only in wrath. The fruit of the righteous is a tree of life, and the one who is wise saves lives. The regular offerings show that worship should be consistent, not just on special occasions. The vow laws emphasize that promises to God are serious and should not be made lightly. Psalm 50 reminds us that God doesn't need our sacrifices. He wants thankful hearts and obedience. Proverbs 11 continues contrasting the outcomes of the righteous and the wicked. Real-life comparison. Daily offerings equals building consistent habits with God, daily prayer, Bible time, worship, instead of only showing up when we need something. Vows equals keeping our promises to God and others. Integrity matters. Psalm 50 equals God values a thankful heart and obedience more than empty religious actions. Proverbs 11 equals living with wisdom and righteousness brings life and blessing, while wickedness leads to ruin. Today, choose one consistent offering habit, prayer, reading, kindness, to strengthen. Keep one promise or commitment you've made to God or someone else. Offer God a thank offering today. Express genuine gratitude. What's one consistent habit you can strengthen in your walk with God today? Comment. God calls us to consistent worship, kept promises, and thankful hearts. Tomorrow, more laws and the next generation prepares. Subscribe, share. See you tomorrow.